Hello everyone. I wish all are very good. We all dream. Our parents teach us how to dream. Our teachers help us to dream. Even we got inspired by so many renowned personalities around us or our parents. Anyhow, we all dream. And it's also very important because it brings the effectiveness or activeness within us. It increases the dedication or devotion within us. We can take one example. I'll decide that I'll go to market. Then anyhow I will go. It may take some more time, less time. But if I won't decide, if I won't dream that, then each and every step I'll be in confusion. Each and every step I'll be in confusion where to go, why to go, those things. So dream is very important. If we want to achieve something, first we have to decide what to achieve. We have to decide our dream. Then only we can put our effort. Whether we are achieving or not, that is later thing. But the former thing that we should dream ahead. We should dream big. It should be very strong. People say we should not dream when we sleep. We should dream when we awake. It's true. But I think doesn't matter whether you are sleeping or awake. It's the inner call, how it's strong, how strong my desire is, how strong my inner call is. If it will be strong enough, doesn't matter whether you are sleeping or you awake, it will come into your mind or it will come it as a dream. So, we'll never lose the dream. In this video, my special message towards many of us who dream but involved in different thing or involved in doing something else, and in the time span we forget our dream, we lose our dream. If we'll take the example of most of the successful personalities or renowned personalities, we can find out it's not the fact that always they start their journey with the job towards the achievement of their dream. They also start their journey by doing something else, but very honest towards it. We should be very honest towards what we are doing. We should not lose any opportunity. We should not lose any work, any person, any situation without learning anything. Because we don't know in which way this experience, this learning will help us to achieve our dream. So we should be very honest with what we are doing. At the same time, put extra effort. We should utilize our spare time towards the achievement of our dream. We should inculcate some ideas. We should increase the contacts, companions, can gather all the necessities to achieve our dream. At the same time, we should have patience in us. We should respect the time also. What is within us? The effort, the dedication, the devotion, those things we can put. But time is not in my hand. Time is in my hand to utilize it. But what will happen, that is not in my hand. That only I can forecast according to my job, how I am doing. So I should never lose my dream. I should always respect my dream. I should alive with it, put the extra effort, and believe me that extra effort won't hurt me or won't hurt you, because that inner call is there, that inner interest will be there. It will be considered as a smart work. Means Of course, smart work is better than hard work, right? Work with interest. Is my dream is that one. So of course, anyhow, I'll find out the way. I'll find out the time towards it. So we should always be influenced by so many personalities around us who live their dream till the last breath of their life. Till the last breath. Even in some cases, we can find out that somebody have that dream, put all his effort, he lost his or her life, after that only the success will be there. Many examples we can find out like that also. What do you think? That is better or not? Of course that is better. Because let's discuss the second option, then we can compare. If we want to do our best to achieve the dream, what will happen? I'll involve in doing something else. I may have money, I may have so-called success, but believe me, your inner dissatisfaction will be there. You will be frustrated, which sometimes or many times you will hesitate to express with your near or dear one. And that dissatisfaction will kill you slowly. It won't allow us to die happily. Doesn't matter whether I'll achieve or not. Of course achievement will be there if my dedication will be there, if my concentration will be there, continuous growth will be there, then of course achievement will be there. I'm not concentrating about achievement. I'm telling about if I won't try my best, if I'll give up, then dissatisfaction won't let me go. It will be inside me. Frustration will be there. I may not express, but depression will be there. I'm doing something, always there will be in the mind, I might have done something else. I might have done that. I might have achieved that. I could not do that. So it's better to go with the first option, not the second option, right? We should try our best. We should put our best effort. We should alive with our dream, because we don't know when the whole world will be with you to help you to achieve that dream. And that initiation must be always from inside, because even it's called that if you will help yourself, then God will help you. God help those who help themselves. So that initiation must be from you. I hope I touched you. Alive with your dream, never lose your dream. Go ahead, make your life meaningful. Thank you.